Alright, this is going to be part 2 of our video series on drawing. This time we're going to be drawing with curves or paths. So go ahead and open up the Creating Paths file. And then let's just zoom in here. We're going to be creating this kind of rounded part of the guitar. So I want you to get the curvature tool right here. And then we're going to just click inside of this first dot. And then we're going to click another dot. So this creates an anchor, and you see now we have this kind of path tail right here. And as you move to the third dot, you're going to see how it creates that curve. And then as we go to the fourth dot, fifth dot, and as we go around these dots, you're going to see how it's going to keep making the shape of the bass part of our guitar. Right. And so you see how we can, by using curves, create the guitar. And then at the end, we're going to make our path there. And now you can change the fill so that it looks more like a guitar. Okay, so we can also create straight lines, doing the same thing with the curvature tool. And so what we're going to do is hold down the Shift key and double click. And then when you double click, it makes straight lines instead of curved lines. Then we're just going to change this color over there. Okay. And then now we're going to come down here and make this last little part. So remember, straight line. Oops. Undo. Undo. Guess it still saw itself. So let's just go over here into layers, make a new layer. So that way it doesn't get itself confused with the other layer. Okay. And then, for some reason, it still sees itself as being on that layer. Oh, okay. Make sure you're on layer 2 instead of layer 1. That's frustrating. Okay, so I see what's confusing is this is already an object right here. And so what we're doing is we're going to be adding to make this curve out like this. So let's put your pointer right here, hold down the Shift key, and it'll add a new anchor point. You can now drag that anchor point down there, and it changes this from a straight line to a curved line. And I'm just going to go back to Properties, fill that in. Okay, now I can grab my black arrow. I can move this over here. In fact, I'm going to zoom out a little bit so I can assemble this. Put this here. Move to back. Yeah, I can get this. Put that where it belongs. Move it right there. And there we have our guitar.